Basically, we've seen worries about Brazil. They've devalued this morning, and we've also seen the resignation of their finance minister. That's put the skids under the market. But it also came at a time when we'd had worries about the Japanese yen, and after a very strong rise in the market in the first few weeks of the year, we were due for a bit of profit taking. It's been a bit more than that.
How significant is 4.6%? We see the markets going up and down all the time.
4.6% in itself is not a huge fall. It's a big one-day fall, but in terms of where the markets have been and where they might go in the rest of the year, I don't think we should get too alarmed by this on a one-day basis. It has wiped out the gains that we've seen so far this year, both in London and really right across Europe. So in that extent, it is quite a big fall.
Yes, mate. 14, 17, 13. It's 15.
It is really the knock-on impact. We saw with Asia 18 months ago that it took some 6 to 9 months before the negative impacts really hit home here in the UK and in Europe. I think people are concerned that the same thing might start to occur as a result of what's going on in Latin America today.
Is it possible to have an Asian-style financial crisis in Latin America? Is that what we're looking at?
I think it is possible. I wouldn't want to go so far as to say that that's what is going to happen, because I think the Brazilian authorities have acted today to try and calm things down by devaluing. But it's certainly a risk, and I think people are somewhat concerned at the moment, understandably so.
Johnny, can you make a price anyway? Or not? I appreciate the basics is different.
Guys, get the micros in. Dave? Did he do the way?